The ring-tailed lemur is one of the most recognizable primates, known for its distinctive black and white striped tail. Native to Madagascar, these lemurs are a symbol of the island's rich biodiversity. Ring-tailed lemurs are medium-sized primates, with a body length ranging from 39 to 46 centimeters, and a tail length of about 56 to 63 centimeters. They typically weigh between 2.2 to 3.5 kilograms. Their most striking feature is their long, bushy tail adorned with alternating black and white rings. Unlike many other primates, the tail is not prehensile, meaning it cannot grasp objects. Instead, it serves as a crucial tool for communication and balance. The lemur's fur is primarily gray or rosy brown, with a lighter underside. They have a white face with dark triangular patches around the eyes and a black nose. Their hands and feet are adapted for grasping, with opposable thumbs and toes, which are essential for climbing and manipulating food. Ring-tailed lemurs are endemic to Madagascar, the world's fourth largest island, located off the southeastern coast of Africa. They inhabit the island's southern and southwestern regions, where they thrive in a variety of habitats. These include deciduous forests, spiny scrublands, and gallery forests along rivers. The diverse environments of Madagascar provide a range of resources, allowing ring-tailed lemurs to adapt to different ecological niches. Madagascar's climate varies from tropical along the coast to temperate in the highlands, with distinct wet and dry seasons. Ring-tailed lemurs are particularly adapted to the island's dry, arid regions where they navigate the challenges of seasonal changes in food availability and water scarcity. Ring-tailed lemurs are diurnal, meaning they are active during the day. This sets them apart from many other lemur species, which are nocturnal. Their daily activities revolve around foraging, socializing, and resting. They are highly terrestrial, spending a significant amount of time on the ground, although they are also adept climbers. Ring-tailed lemurs live in matriarchal societies, with groups typically consisting of 6 to 30 individuals. Females hold the dominant positions, and they inherit their social status from their mothers. This matriarchal structure is relatively rare among primates, and underscores the importance of females in ring-tailed lemur communities. Social bonds are reinforced through grooming, which plays a crucial role in maintaining group cohesion. Grooming helps to remove parasites and dirt, but it also serves as a form of social currency, strengthening alliances and hierarchies within the group. Ring-tailed lemurs use a variety of vocalizations, body postures, and scent markings to communicate. They have a diverse repertoire of calls, including alarm calls to warn of predators, contact calls to maintain group cohesion, and threat vocalizations during confrontations. Their tail, held upright like a flag, is a visual signal that helps group members stay together while moving through dense vegetation. Scent marking is another vital form of communication. Ring-tailed lemurs have specialized scent glands located on their wrists and shoulders. They use these glands to mark their territory and communicate their reproductive status. Males engage in stink fights, where they rub their tails with the scent glands and waft the odor toward rivals to assert dominance. Ring-tailed lemurs are omnivorous, with a diet that varies seasonally. They primarily consume fruits, leaves, flowers, and bark, but they also eat insects, small vertebrates, and bird eggs when plant-based resources are scarce. Their dietary flexibility allows them to survive in the fluctuating environments of Madagascar. During the wet season, when food is abundant, they prefer fruits and young leaves, which provide the necessary nutrients and energy. In the dry season, when water and food are limited, they rely more on succulent plants like the prickly pear cactus, which provides hydration and sustenance. This adaptability in diet is crucial for their survival in the harsh conditions of their habitat. Breeding season for ring-tailed lemurs is highly synchronized and typically occurs between April and May. Females are only receptive to mating for a short period each year, usually about 1 day. This brief window leads to intense competition among males, who engage in displays of strength and scent marking to win the favor of females. Gestation lasts about 134 to 138 days, resulting in the birth of a single offspring, although twins are occasionally born. Births usually occur at the beginning of the wet season, ensuring that mothers have access to ample food resources to support lactation and infant growth. Infants are born with their eyes open and are covered in fur. They cling to their mother's belly for the first few weeks of life and gradually transition to riding on her back. Weaning occurs at around 4 to 6 months, but juveniles remain dependent on their mothers and the social group for much longer. They reach sexual maturity at about 2.5 to 3 years of age. Ring-tailed lemurs face various natural predators, including birds of prey such as the Madagascar harrier hawk and the fossa, a cat-like carnivorous mammal native to Madagascar. To avoid predation, they rely on their agility, group vigilance, and alarm calls to alert each other of danger. However, the most significant threats to ring-tailed lemurs are anthropogenic. Habitat destruction due to slash-and-burn agriculture, illegal logging, and charcoal production has led to severe fragmentation of their natural habitats. Additionally, hunting and capture for the illegal pet trade pose significant risks. The International Union for Conservation of Nature classifies ring-tailed lemurs as endangered. Their population has declined drastically in recent years due to habitat loss, hunting, and the illegal pet trade. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these iconic primates and their habitats. Several national parks and reserves in Madagascar, such as Andringitra National Park, Isalo National Park, and Baranti Reserve, play a crucial role in protecting ring-tailed lemur populations. These protected areas offer a refuge from habitat destruction and provide opportunities for ecological research and ecotourism, which can benefit local communities. Conservation organizations are also working to raise awareness about the importance of preserving Madagascar's unique biodiversity. Education programs aimed at local communities highlight the ecological and cultural significance of lemurs, and promote sustainable land use practices. Ring-tailed lemurs hold a special place in Malagasy culture and folklore. They are often featured in traditional stories and are considered symbols of Madagascar's natural heritage. Lemurs are also important for ecotourism, attracting visitors from around the world who come to experience Madagascar's unique wildlife. The lemur's iconic status has made it a flagship species for conservation efforts. By focusing on the protection of ring-tailed lemurs, conservationists can also safeguard a wide range of other species that share their habitat.